This is Coach Grace.
And this is Coach Sam.
And we have this amazing avocado grapefruit salad right here we're about to share with you. Super pumped. Looks like tuna poke. It is not tuna poke, so we tricked you. But we are excited to share all of these yummy ingredients. Sam, you can go first. You got some yummy looking.
Sure. So for our two main ingredients that are in this little salad is grapefruit and avocado. What makes this so unique looking is that it does look like tuna, like Grace said, but it's actually the grapefruit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing this grapefruit. It's really simple. There's nothing much else into it besides the avocado, the grapefruit, and then this yummy dressing that Grace is actually gonna start explaining on how to make.
Yes, so we have some lemon juice here. We have some extra virgin olive oil. We have some Dijon mustard and just salt and pepper. That's literally it. So I'm gonna start and mix while I am talking to you guys. I'm gonna screw my little cap here. So we just need I'm spilling here. Just need 3 tablespoons of this lemon juice. Yes, 3 tablespoons. We have 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So there's a little bit more on the plate here, but I'm gonna measure it out just for you guys. And it's a dressing, so it's okay if you really like mustard. You can have a little bit more mustard. That is okay. It'll just be a little bit thicker.
It looks super yummy.
Super duper yummy. Okay, so we're gonna take about a tablespoon here, and we're gonna mix that in there. Then we're gonna add the salt and pepper, which I have just kind of a pinch of both. So however much salt and pepper you would like, as desired, as they say in the recipes. We're gonna do our salt and pepper, and then just 1 tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil, and you're gonna slowly whisk that in. So this is a big whisk. If you have a small whisk, it might be better, but we're just gonna use this whisk to stir the mustard in with the lemon juice. A super light dressing, which is nice too. So kind of get the mustard clumps out as you're whisking. The whisk just helps break up the clumps. And it makes a nice little jingling noise.
It's like a chime.
Yeah, like a wind chime.
It's like lunchtime. Lunchtime.
This is the lunch bell. And then we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we're just gonna add this in at the end. All right, so I have my dressing here. So we are just about ready. I know Sam has been working hard over there.
All right, so I am almost done chopping up all of this grapefruit and this avocado. Is there a spoon there that I can hold?
Speaking of avocado.
Oh, yes.
Did you know that avocados have 14 grams of fiber?
No, I had no idea.
They're also loaded with beta testosterol. So we're gonna rinse him off.
Yummy.
And that is helpful for your blood cholesterol, and it helps to lower your stress hormone, cortisol. We talk about cortisol a lot, especially with our other programs. Shout out to One and Done. But it is great to help balance your stress hormone, cortisol. So avocados, really good for you. A lot of healthy fats also, and they're beautiful and green, so all the more.
Yes, good healthy.
Bring on the avocados.
Good healthy fats. So what I have here is the grapefruit that's very juicy. I don't know if you saw my facial expression while Grace was talking, but it looked like there was a waterfall coming my way. So I have a little strainer, not to strain anything, but to mold something. So what I'm going to do is drag my little handy dandy, sorry, Grace, if you needed that cheat sheet, my little handy chalkboard, my cutting board. I don't know why I said chalkboard. Up, and there goes all the water I was talking about.
Juicy, that means it was ready to go.
Yes, super ready. All right, Grace, so if you step aside over here, I'm gonna show them how to plate this, and then you can take that there so then you can drizzle it beautifully. Okay, so this little strainer, this plate, all you really need right here to make this fake pokey looking thing. So I'm gonna take the grapefruit, I'm gonna stick it in there. I'm gonna take avocado, stick it in there.
Do those have a name? Just a
grapefruit
strainer?
I think they're mini strainers.
Mini strainer.
I know that for baking this is used, and you like pat it to get the flour all nice and powdery.
Oh, like a sifter.
Yeah, there you go. There's a name for it.
Get yourself a mini sifter. We love things that are little.
Sifter. Things are little. Little is good because little means you're not overeating, which is a good thing, not a bad thing.
Good for portion sizes. That is a good serving size too.
So yeah, and for lunch. I mean, honestly, people eat avocado for breakfast. People eat grapefruit for breakfast.
With your eggs.
So this is just as good for breakfast as it is for lunch. So I'm just kind of making a little bit of a mess here, but that's the whole fun part
The better.
of doing this. Okay, so once we have all of our chopped in here grapefruit and our avocado, I'm just gonna kind of lightly do this. I'm gonna take the plate, and for everybody at home, this is what the restaurants do to make everything pretty at your house, or at the restaurant. You're gonna do that, and voila! So Grace,
Don't forget, we have some dressing.
perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yummy. Slice that right there for some extra.
You can just a little on the side if you want to dip it as you're eating it.
Perfect.
Just a little bit more on top.
And that's it.
Beautiful.
Not that many ingredients, not that hard to do. And we even made it pretty and showed you how to make it pretty. Super fast.
So make sure that you guys try out this recipe because it is great, it is easy, it is delicious, it is spelt.
Ooh.
So try this recipe at home. We have so many more for you guys. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts. Everything is healthy, everything is delicious, and it's easy for you to make at home. So make sure you check those out, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Deuces.